Mouse processing factories are facilities that raise and process mice for consumption in some countries, especially China. This practice has been going on for centuries. The factory procures mice from private farms. These mice are raised in hygienic conditions and undergo strict controls to ensure their health. Mice arriving at the factory are first cleaned and then processed. The story of pigs begins in modern barns. Pigs are tranquilized before being slaughtered and slaughtered in a stress-free environment. Pigs are meticulously processed by expert personnel in a hygienic environment, and their hair and internal organs are removed. Delicious pork is packaged to suit different consumption needs. Packaged products are transported in the cold chain and stored at appropriate temperatures to preserve their freshness. This factory produces various products by processing millions of snakes. Located in China, this facility processes many different products, from snake meat to leather products. It is a truly impressive place with its large area and high-tech machines. Located in China, this facility processes many different products, from snake meat to leather products. It is a truly impressive place with its large space and high-tech machines. These people ensure that the skin is peeled and sorted correctly. Snake meat is made ready for the consumer by going through special processes. This factory produces various products by processing crocodile meat and skin. If you are wondering how this facility equipped with modern technology works, be sure to check out our video. Crocodiles coming from the farms undergo a comprehensive health check after arriving at the factory. After making sure they are healthy, the processing process begins. Every step is carried out in accordance with quality and hygiene standards. First, let's get to know this unique factory. This facility, located in China, is the world leader in processing and packaging octopus meat. It is a truly impressive place with its large area and high-tech machines. The factory supplies octopuses collected from the seas from private suppliers. These octopuses are kept in hygienic conditions and undergo strict checks to ensure their health. Octopuses arriving at the factory are first cleaned and then processed. The factory procures fresh shrimp collected from the seas from private suppliers. These shrimps are kept in hygienic conditions and undergo strict checks to ensure their health. The processing process is very detailed and supported by high technology. First, the shrimps are cleaned with special machines and separated from their shells. These shrimps are then classified according to their size. The shrimp are then frozen or cooked to prepare for packaging. Each stage is carried out by strictly following the hygiene rules. The largest and most modern mussel processing factory in China. This facility is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and processes tons of mussels every day. Here, we will see in detail the process that extends from the sea to our tables. This factory dazzles not only with its size, but also with its investment in technology. The factory buys fresh mussels collected from the sea from private suppliers. When these mussels reach the factory, they are first subjected to health checks. The factory operates without compromising on hygiene and quality. Each mussel is cleaned and separated from its shells in specially designed machines. This entire process is carried out with speed and efficiency. This facility is equipped with advanced technology and processes tons of salmon every day. Here, we will explore in full detail the process that extends from the sea to our tables. The size and technological infrastructure of the factory will amaze you. The factory supplies fresh salmon from the oceans and private farms. These salmon undergo strict health checks when they arrive at the factory. Quality and hygiene standards are kept at the highest level here. Salmon are cleaned with specially designed machines and prepared for processing. The processing process is truly fascinating. First, the salmon are carefully cleaned and filleted by special machines. These machines cut salmon into perfect slices with their sensitive blades. The largest and most advanced duck processing factory in China. This huge facility is equipped with high-tech machinery and processes thousands of ducks every day. Here, we will explore the process from farm to table in full detail. The size and technological infrastructure of the factory is truly dazzling. The factory processes fresh ducks supplied from private farms. These ducks undergo strict health checks when they arrive at the factory. Hygiene and quality standards are kept at the highest level here. The ducks are cleaned with specially designed machines, and the processing phase begins. The processing process is truly breathtaking. First, the ducks are defeathered with special machines. These machines remove hair quickly and effectively with their sensitive blades and powerful vacuum systems. This huge facility processes tons of honey every day and offers it to consumers. It is a truly dazzling place with its large area and modern machines. Here, we will explore the process, step by step, from beehives to our tables. The factory processes fresh honey supplied from private beekeeping farms. Honeycombs filled with honey coming from beekeepers go through strict quality controls when they reach the factory. During this process, the purity and quality of the honey is meticulously examined. Then, the honeycombs move on to the processing stage. The processing process is truly fascinating. First, honeycombs filled with honey are filtered in special machines. These machines preserve the purity of honey by carefully separating it from the honeycombs.